Hey guys, this is WR100 along with...
Rush safety.
Rusk and emergency alerts.
And?
East Melbourne WX is currently looking at orange watch lights. We are currently in severe thunder.
Oh yeah, we're in an SVA. Alright,
10 minutes later.
enough delaying, because I bet you there's gonna be a marine warning in a second, because we're unboxing this during severe weather. This is my Midland WR100 version 5. That was the weirdest start
Another
ever.
WR100, imagine.
Oh, shut up. Okay, ready? And we're gonna take it out. And, oh, it's an early version 5. It's an early V5.
Oh, nice. Good.
No, that's not good. I need a late V5. I wanted a later V5.
Late V5s are the ones that have tuner power.
No, the
I
early...
have a late V5.
You mean a V5 Ultra. That's more than likely just luck.
That's not luck.
Why is this webpage finally?
Okay. Alright, so take the V5 out of the... Take the V5 out of the box. Alright, ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Powering on.
Oh my god, scared me.
Version 5.
Thunderstorm wind gusts of 44 miles per hour.
Turn the alert switch to on.
Now put it in.
Oh, this is tuner's working.
Does it work?
Yes, it works.
Nice.
Through Saturday, atmospheric conditions will be
Wait, listen to the KHB32 right now.
Mariners should be on the lookout for water spouts.
Oh yeah, that's their HWO.
Impact. On Saturday, high surf may produce rip currents along area beaches. Marine impact.
The entire TI-63 CWA is tornado watch.
Damn. It's a lot. That's a lot. Alright, well...
Yeah, including the marine area. Indian River, Brevard, Indian River, Lake Okeechobee, Orange, Osceola, Seminole, and Volusia.
Alright, now it's the current time is 3:50 p.m.
Okay, KI-63 doesn't serve Indian River or Okeechobee. Got 2 cells developing in central Osceola County.
Alright, oh wait, how do you reset it to activate for the weekly test?
I was on while holding the weather button.
Well, the what?
Weather and volume up.
Oh, weather and volume up? Okay.
Okay, ready? Okay, it's resetting.
Wait, was yours new and boxed?
Yes!
Okay. I'm still surprised that they did the fire.
Yeah, I don't know why they did that. Alright, I think we're gonna conclude the unboxing there. This was, TBW563 along with...
Fire safety.
Rusk and emergency alerts.
And...
East Melbourne WA.
Okay then, and this was the unboxing of my Midland WR100 version 5. Bye.